Meaning of hectolitre.
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 Hectoliter.
Hectoliter. A hectoliter is a unit of volume equivalent to 100 liters. It is commonly used in the measurement of liquids such as beer, wine, and oil, as well as in agriculture and forestry to measure quantities of soil and logs. The prefix hecto means 100 and liter is a metric unit of volume. This unit of measurement is commonly abbreviated as HL. Understanding hectoliters is important for industries that deal with large liquid volumes, as it helps them measure and track quantities accurately for production and distribution purposes.